Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HTC Desire 22 Pro to an Android device. Firstly, just open Play Store on both and install free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When it's ready, tap on Open. Now you need to choose I accept, then confirm, continue and allow. After that, do exactly the same on HTC. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. From here you need to select receive at the bottom on your Android and send at the bottom left corner on your HTC. Then click on all of those dots in all of those categories, and when you're ready, hit send. This way you will select all of your files that you wish to send and then transfer them. It will take some time though, so I'll go with only those 3 photos. Choose send and tap on got it in the pop-up. Now on an Android, tap on one of those options, yes I agree or no thanks, and tap on close this window. Then we have 2 connection ways. We can scan this QR code by choosing this scanning icon on an Android, selecting while using the app or only this time, and pointing our camera at the code. Or we can always input this key over here and click on receive to connect those 2 smartphones. As you can see, after a while, my photos were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!